remedy for bad cholesterol LDL. Ingredients: ginger, turmeric, cinnamon. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some research suggests that curcumin may have cholesterol-lowering effects by reducing LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing HEL, good, cholesterol. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential cholesterol-lowering effects. Some research suggests that cinnamon may help reduce total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that ginger may help reduce total cholesterol levels and lower levels of LDL, bad cholesterol. Drink 1 glass before bed.